Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for GBP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. So let's see what happened for the British pound. In the overview history here, of course, we have a probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside, a leading diagonal where we have perfectly finished a fifth wave shorter than the wave 3 shorter than wave 1. And the same, of course, we can say for the 4 and the 2. So perfect leading diagonal. Probably, of course, as well, it can be in case it is corrective, like 3 waves toward the downside, we can expect, of course, A, B, and a C toward the upside. In case we are in this leading diagonal after finding psychology here in the market, of course, it was a 2008 crash of the global economic crash. So probably we are in a 1, 2, and then looking for wave 3, 4, and a 5. So in both case scenarios, you are still looking for higher. In case you are in a 1, 2, you're looking for wave 2. In case you are in A, B, and a C toward the upside, you're looking as well for an impulse toward the upside. However, higher possibility, of course, still going for this contracting diagonal due to its perfection. And also because we don't have any kind of impulse here. And it might be, of course, a wave A, B, and a C toward the upside for a wave 2, and then moving again toward the downside for the GBP. Now, the 1-to-1 fib level taken, of course, from this 1 or wave A, probably, of course, it depends where we're gonna bottom for this wave B. With the current price action right now, it's targeting the 1.58 dollar for the GBP, of course, for the next run. And probably on the daily here, that we did not finish, of course, this wave 2 or this wave B. In case, of course, we are in a wave 2, probably, okay, it can be possibility, but I don't see any impulse here, but it still can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, still possible, maybe. Yeah, so you know what? Let's add this. It will not hurt. I think we have it already. Okay, we have this possibility anyway. So possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so A, B, and a C, and then 0.38. It will not hurt to have the scenario, of course, but it will hurt if we don't get it in case it happened, right? So let's put it on the chart. In both case scenario, if we get a 3, 4, and a 5, we're targeting 1.618 wave C, 1.76. Yes, and of course, in case we are in a bigger, like in big ABC for a wave 2 here, in the magenta, then you are looking, of course, for the 1.58 as A, B, and a C toward the upside. This wave right now, in case we are 3 waves toward that, look at the different scenario now. In case we are in 1, 2, yeah, you would like to move toward the upside so far because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished. And then, of course, you got an A, B, and a C as an expanding flat. And in an expanding flat, you would like to see, of course, a impulse toward the downside for a wave C, right? But in this case scenario, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, it looks like a little bit your wave 3 is the shortest, probably, but no. I mean, it can still be equal to 1 to 1. But I don't like this impulse so much, how it looks like, that your wave 3 is not very remarkable. Your wave 5 is the longest here. However, if this looking something else, probably one more leg, and that, of course, to finish one more wave 4. So it might be as well 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3, and then 4 and a 5. So one more leg still possible, guys. And yeah, very possible as well to reach the 1-to-1 fib level, probably if you are in a zigzag, yeah, toward the downside. And that is for the scenario, the bearish one, A, in 3 waves up, 3 waves down as a zigzag, reaching the 1-to-1 fib level at 1.19, and then continuation toward the upside, of course, impulsively. You want to move impulsively toward the upside for the GBP to reach, of course, in this case scenario, only the 1-to-1 fib level. So it has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so let's clean up a little bit here. Okay, let's just keep this one. The most closest price action. Yeah. Normally, of course, a wave 2 would love, of course, to come to this area. However, the 0.38 is the minimum requirement for a wave 2 In case you are in a 1 and 2, this is a minimum requirement as a fib level for retracement. It means that at minimum you have to retrace to here to move impulsively towards the upside. So we can say, yeah, it is ready to move for higher. Now, preferably, of course, to reach a little bit low, 0.5, but it's not really necessarily. Sometimes it moves directly if it is very impulsive. However, I still see one more wave for a wave 1 here. Even, I mean, this case scenario is going to close perfectly ABC expanding flat. And at the same time, it's going to close ABC for an ABC here. Yeah, so this 1-to-1 fib level still recommended, yeah, in both case scenarios. Yeah, so let's watch and see what's gonna happen. Probably we're gonna move down, take this one, and continuation toward the upside. And probably, yeah, it can still even make another big wave like this as a second wave, right? In case you are corrective, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then continuation toward the upside. And this, of course, will change your targets here in case we get lower. That was it for the GPP. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.